Hey guys, Blue Sea here again. Just going to do an install on my new GoPro Hero 10, some screen protectors since I'm using it for like bushcrafting on my motorcycle, skidoo, rough and stuff outdoors. So I just want to put a little protection on it. Probably don't need it, but better be safe than sorry. These things aren't cheap. Anyway, so I'm putting on the Spigen, I don't know how you say that. Anyway, the one I'm using is got it off of Amazon. It's a 2-pack, so you get 2 of each. The model number is AGL03045. I think it was like $10 or something like that is what I paid for it. Says it's oleophobic coating, real glass. Hope so. Perfect adhesion, surface hardness of 9, and delicate touch, probably meaning the touch screen on the back. Hopefully there's no issues with that. So first off, we'll start with the alcohol wipe. Take anything off of the screen that won't make it stick. Clean that well. Let it dry for a sec. I'll take the lens cloth, give it a wipe. Alright, seems clean. And some people don't use these, but they're the take any dust particles off or anything else. I always use them when I do my cell phone screen installs because you'd be surprised what one little speck of dust can do. Alright, let's give it one more little wipe with this. Alright, so this is the one going on. This is the, see which way that's coming off. Okay, coming off this side. Alright. I see a little particle of dust there. I'm going to give that one more little dab with the little sticker here, I think. Alright, I think I'm ready. That goes hot. Alright, let's try this again. Go from this side, maybe it's easier. That ain't working either. That's better. Alright, let's get all the air bubbles out. That looks perfect. Yeah. Alright, there's one on. Looks good. Alright. Let's do this one. Let it dry for a sec. All right. Just doing some straightening here before I press it down hard. Just trying to even this out here. It should be pretty good here in a sec, maybe. There we go. Not hard to put on. I'm just being perfectionist. All right, perfect. Awesome. All right, now the last one. Sorry, it took a little longer. All right, let's get this all cleaned off. Okay. Now this one here, a lot of people I see bitching about it online that this one's not glass. And I think it was smart on this company's part is the fact that this will still allow you to use the Media Mod. With the hard glass on the back, it won't function with the Media Mod. So just a heads up about that. So if you do have the Media Mod, this will still work with it. Whereas, like I said, if it's the hard glass, which I mean would be preferable, it will not work with the Media Mod. All right, let's just take the dust. All right, let's put this baby on. This one, I'll probably use the tabs on this one. Okay. Smooth this all out. This one doesn't seem to be going on as smooth on the back. Not sure why. Just a heads up on this product that the doesn't seem to be as friendly on the back. Like I said, it's not glass. The glass always seems to go on well, but when you put on seems plastic coatings, they don't seem to be as good. And a little smoothing tool's helping, but like I said, it's not on, but there's just these little air bubbles on the edges that just don't seem to want to go away. actually that worked pretty good once I used the smoothing tool. There you go. Nice and straight. Protect that GoPro a little bit for, I guess obviously depending on what you're doing with it. It might help with skiing as well, which I use it for. Anyway, there you go. Quick install. Well, sort of quick. And I hope that helps somebody. And just a tip about that screen for the back, depending on which company you buy from, you'll have glass on the back, but with that, you'll also have issues with the Media Mod, like I said. Anyway, I'll put some links in the description of where I got it and that from Amazon, and hope that helps. And please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.